to show under paragraph 2.3 to show that this asset was not included in this all. Let the witness answer.
Lastly, Your Honor, please. I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Sir, this the exhibit quintuple P-2 is the deed of sale of common shares that was attached to the payment of capital gains tax.
All right.
Lastly, Your Honor, please. May I request the witness, Madam Witness, kindly identify your signature on this one-page certification for the alpha list income of the respondent for the years 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, and 2010, which data were already elicited from you during questioning by Senator Recto.
Is the defense disputing the signature of the Commissioner of Internal Revenue?
No, Your Honor. If it is only for purposes of acknowledging the signature, we have no objection, Your Honor.
May we request that that document be marked
PPP.
in evidence as Exhibit Quintuple C-7. That is all. I am now terminating my direct examination without prejudice, Your Honor, to redirect on the cross conducted.
That's in the rules. You do not have to make that
Your Honor.
reservation.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I was a little bit surprised. It's practically revolutionizing the rules of procedure and evidence, Your Honor. I thought I know enough evidence.
Counsel for the
procedure.
defense, are you ready to cross-examine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Proceed.
Yes, Your Honor. Now, good afternoon, Madam Commissioner.
Good afternoon, sir.
It's nice to have you around again. Now, I understand that you came here to testify pursuant to a subpoena issued by the Honorable Impeachment Court. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
And the scope of what you will do or in connection with the subpoena is mentioned in the subpoena.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Now, I have examined the subpoena issued to a certain Commissioner Kim S. Jacinto Inares, and I do not see any statement in there that you are under legal obligation to examine the returns and the sal of the persons enumerated therein. Am I right? I'm showing you.
It does not. To examine returns is an inherent function of the Commission of Internal Revenue. I don't have to ask anyone's permission to examine the same.
May we request, we move to strike out the answer of the witness. It is not responsive, Your Honor.
We ask that it remain, Your Honor.
Our only question is whether the subpoena issued to her require her or imposes upon her the duty to examine and review the documents which we are testing the credibility of the witness.
Madam Commissioner, please answer the question. The answer, the previous answer is stricken of the record. Answer the question.
The subpoena is to present the document and to testify.
And to testify, meaning on the documents themselves.
I have no idea what I will be asked to testify about. It just said that I have to appear to testify.
No. So how did you understand the subpoena addressed to you to appear, testify, and bring the following documents?
I am to appear to testify, and I am to appear to bring the document.
I see.
To testify on whatever questions will be asked of me.
I see. Now, did you consider the fact that what is involved in here are statement of assets and liabilities together with income tax returns?
I'm being asked to bring the document. Like I stated before, the impeachment proceeding, it's about SAL-N. No? So I presume that the income tax return that I bring will have to be connected to the statement of asset and liability and net worth.
This is the first time that you have engaged in a proceeding similar to the one under consideration now.
In an impeachment proceeding, sir?
Right, ma'am.
Yes, sir. This
Yes,
is the
sir.
first time.
And when you mentioned you examined the documents, were you under legal obligation pursuant to the subpoena to examine the documents?
No, sir.
No, sir. So that was on your own volition.
It's my duty to examine the documents, sir. Yes, sir.
And the data that you found in there, you immediately, on the basis of the data you found in there, you immediately come to the conclusion that the person claimed to be the buyer does not have enough funds to carry on the transaction of sale. Am I right?
I did not come to any such conclusion. The paper, I only said it warrants further investigation, sir.
Yes, so you never made the conclusion that the alleged buyer did not have the necessary means to purchase the property?
Sir, which alleged buyer, sir?
This one that you testified in your direct examination.
There are many buyers, Your Honor.
Sir, which of the buyers, sir? There's Mrs. Cristina Corona, there's Chief Justice Corona, there's Maria Carla Corona, there's Maria Charina Corona. Which of, I testified on all of them.
Yeah, thank you. I'll just go over. Hindi, akin na yung document.
Yeah.
Ito, yung in-examine yan dito sa iyo. Yung deed of sale, yung tina-examine niya, yung sa testing. Yung page 20. 24, yung Now, I withdraw that question, Your Honor. We are locating the particular statement, Your Honor. Now, based on the ZAL, SLN of Chief Justice Corona, does it admit of the correction allowed by law pursuant to what is provided for in the ZAL law, SLN law?
Sir, I am not the person to ask for SALN. I'm
see. So
National Internal Revenue Code, sir.
So that is not within your competence. That's how I understood you. Am I correct?
Misleading, Your Honor.
Yes.
The witness already stated last hearing that when she files tax evasion cases, she deals with SALNs of all government
But this-
officials.
That's not my question. I am on cross-examination. And cross-examination, leading question.
Let the witness
Misleading.
answer. There's no assumption of fact not proven, my goodness.
My understanding as a government official is that when I submit the SALN, it has to be complete and true, and that I don't have any chance to amend it, especially if a case is filed against me. That is my understanding of how
Wait, do you
I
have a
prepare
cop-
my SALN.
Do you have a copy of your SLN today?
No, sir, you did not
Will you-
ask for me to bring
Will
it,
you be
sir.
able to produce it if
Yes,
required
sir.
by the court,
Yes, sir.
together with your
Internal-
income tax return?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you for that. Now, my understanding is that the SLN may be corrected if there are entries in there made not accurate and so on. This one
Already
that,
answered, Your Honor, the
wait,
witness.
I'm not
Hold on.
Hindi pa ako tapos pa.
Let the witness answer. She's a very intelligent witness. She's under cross-examination.
In this particular case, which you said you have examined, SAL of Chief Justice Corona, did you come to the conclusion that this is one which can be corrected pursuant to law? Or it may not be corrected at all?
My personal opinion is it cannot be corrected at all.
Why?
Because first, in the first place, it is sworn to under oath. And then second place, like I said, I am a government official and I've sworn through, and I would think that SALN requires me to completely list all my assets because it's a way for the public to determine whether at the end of the day I have enriched myself because of my position. So if it can be amended at any time, then it's a useless exercise to even require government official to submit a SAL-N at all.
So you came into the conclusion that this may not admit of correction, and that is your opinion only.
Yes, sir.
We will move to strike out the answer of the witness, Your Honor.
Why do you
Because
move
we
to
are-
strike out after asking?